Your health insurance claim could get rejected when your family needs it most. Not because you don't have coverage, but because of avoidable mistakes in the claiming process. Today, I'll show you how to ensure your claim gets approved quickly. Because in a medical emergency, every second counts. Hi, I'm Jiten Modi. For 2 decades, I've guided families through the complex world of insurance claims. I've witnessed both the relief of seamless approvals and the devastation of denied claims. My goal is to help you avoid those pitfalls, so your family is never left unprotected when it matters most. Let me tell you about Priya. Her father had a medical emergency at midnight, and they rushed him to the hospital. While the hospital admitted him, they refused cashless treatment because Priya couldn't find the insurance card. That one missing document turned their night into a nightmare. She spent 12 frantic hours arranging Rs 3 lakhs for a deposit. All of this stress could have been avoided with a little preparation. Medical emergencies strike without warning. Preparation is your best defense. Save all your insurance details, policy numbers, helpline numbers, and hospital network lists on your phone. Share them with your family members. Emergencies don't wait for you to dig through drawers or emails for documents. Planned procedures can also catch you off guard if you're not proactive. The Mehtas handled this perfectly when their son needed surgery. They informed their insurer 2 days in advance. Cashless approval came within hours, and they had no out-of-pocket expenses. In contrast, their neighbor waited until admission day, paid Rs $80,000 from savings, and endured a 2-month wait for reimbursement. The difference? A simple phone call and timely communication. Cashless claims demand immediate action. The moment you reach the hospital, find the insurance desk. Provide your insurance card, a government ID, and the doctor's recommendation for hospitalization. If you're missing any of these, you may be forced into the reimbursement route. Suresh experienced this when he forgot his Aadhaar card. His cashless claim turned into a 2-month ordeal of documentation and follow-ups. Documentation can make or break your claim. Every test report, every prescription, and every bill forms a crucial piece of your claim file. Rajesh's mother needed extended hospitalization, but their meticulous records saved them. Their Rs 12 lakh claim was approved without a single query because their documentation answered all the insurer's questions up front. On the flip side, the Patels learned the hard way what happens when documentation isn't consistent. Their discharge summary didn't match the admission details, and the insurer rejected their claim. 3 stressful weeks of appeals could have been avoided with a quick check of their paperwork. Timeliness is critical for reimbursement claims. Most insurers require you to submit all documents within 30 days of discharge. Missing this deadline can result in rejection, even if your claim is valid. The Sharmas, preoccupied with recovery, missed the submission deadline. That oversight cost them Rs 2 lakhs. A harsh lesson about deadlines. Small details in your policy can create unexpected hurdles. Room rent limits, disease-specific caps, and pre-existing condition clauses can reduce your claim. Mr. Kumar's claim was slashed by 40% because he chose a higher category hospital room. That one decision affected every expense tied to his treatment, leaving him with a hefty out-of-pocket payment. Knowing your hospital network is another essential step. During their son's emergency, the Singhs rushed to the nearest hospital, unaware it wasn't part of their insurer's network. They ended up paying Rs 4 lakhs upfront because cashless facilities weren't available. Avoid this by mapping your network hospitals in advance and saving them on your phone. Daily treatment records are invaluable. Keep track of every consultation, every medication, and every procedure. Mrs. Mehta's 2-week hospitalization produced hundreds of documents. Their organized approach led to their Rs 8 lakh claim being approved within 5 days. The insurer found everything they needed in one go, without delays or additional queries. Preparation doesn't just smooth the process. It ensures your claim gets approved when you need it most. Book a free consultation with me through the link below, and we'll work together to create your family's claim emergency kit. We'll map your nearest network hospitals, review your policy details, and organize everything you might need to make a claim without hassle. Remember this: health insurance is only as good as the claim process. Without proper preparation, even the best policy can fail you during critical moments. Let's ensure your family gets the financial support they deserve when they need it the most. Together, we'll make sure you're ready for any emergency.